Today, we're diving to the latest market update for Avon and Plainfield, which is on the west side of Indianapolis, outside the 465 loop. This week, I have two sections of market updates. One is the market trends, and the other is the area market survey. And by the way, my name is Nigel Beretta with the Exxon Group and EXP Realty. And if you'd like to know anything else about the market, listing, or investing, feel free to contact me. Link is in the description below. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at what the market has in store for us. This is from January to December of 2024. To start off with, interest rates 7.10%, 30-year fixed, 6.45% for 15-year fixed, which is similar to a 30-year VA loan, and slightly less at about a 6.44% for a 30-year FHA. Market trends, this is just a snapshot of what market looks like. New listings, well, it's slightly on the higher side as of June and July 2024 and tapering towards 2025. Correspondingly, we are going to look at the sold listings as well in graphs. So that will give you just a better pictorial understanding of what the market looks like. So moving on. The new to sold listings, like we saw initially, green represents the sold listings. We are seeing this trajectory a little more above the sold listings, or the listings that are being listed, sorry. That is kind of tapering towards August and September of 2024, where we saw the number of sold listings at about a 68, which was lower than the new listings that we see on here. So that trend is falling. We're seeing fewer sold listings as we are moving towards December from September of 2024. Average days on market. This is another one of my favorite indicators. Essentially, it is just talking about the average days on market for properties that have gone from listed to sold. Understandably, in the median range from April to October, and then we are seeing a spike in December where we have 58 days on market for properties that are listed to sold. Sales price to list price ratio. Most of these are above the 80%, not quite at the 100%, which means that if a property was listed at about $400,000, it's sold a little below $400,000. What this is talking about. So July, we've seen a 97% sales price to list price ratio. That was tapering a little more towards October, where we've seen a 92%. Then again, December is 102%, which is great. This could account for fewer listings and equal number of buyers in those neighborhoods. But this has been pretty steady at about 100%, which is great news for the market. Area market survey, we are looking to dive deeper into active sold and expired listings for properties in these price points. So like we see from the 350 to at about 499, the average days in market is about in the 90, 94, 91 days in market range. If we move a little more towards 600 and up to the 700,000 mark, we're looking at about 118 days on market in there, and slightly higher in the higher price points. And this would primarily be because of lower inventory, lower buyer pool. Those are some things that could account for that. So the average days on market somewhere around the 9,700 mark in that price point. Sold and rented listings. So this is giving us an understanding of the average days on market being about 54, 46, 52 days on market for properties in this price point, which is understandable. However, I think this would account for lower inventory, but we could check on that. But this is slightly uh, a different pivot from what we see usually. Then again, data is something that we may need to look into again. Expired listings, this is another indicator of what we are looking at in the current market. 172 days on market, 90 days on market for properties from the 400 to the 650,000 price point. Essentially what this is letting us know that there could have been, there are various conditions, price condition, marketing that could account for properties not selling. However, given the higher days on market, prices on properties would need to be more on just more deviating towards um, an acceptable price is what this graph is telling us. Higher days on market for 949,000 inventory. So that's just a little on the higher side. But then again, tapering towards price points of between 1 million to 1.5, little on the higher side, I would say definitely more on the higher side at 423 days on market. That is because of lower inventory, like we've seen in one of our previous slides. So this is something that would be interesting to look into moving to Jan to February, March of 2025 to see what average days on market look like for expired listings, but also on the sold listings. So that should be pretty much what I have for you today. I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoy the content and want to see more of this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. And your support is very much appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences, thoughts, or feedback in the comments below. Until next time, take care and have a great rest of your year.